Big moment. We are bubbles up no more.
We're the Waltzes. We have a dream of converting a sailing catamaran into a completely solar electric liveaboard. And, oh yeah, navigating it around the Great Loop. Now I know what you're thinking. Crazy, right? Well, most great achievements were seen as crazy in the beginning. So hit like and subscribe and add your 2 cents as you follow along to see if this dream can become an adventure. Welcome aboard, Soul Seeker.
G'day mates, welcome to Season 1, Episode 1 of the Soul Seeker Adventure. In this episode, months of tough yakka or hard work for you Yanks on the hard are distilled into one epic chapter. This 40-year-old boat is reborn as a solar electric cruiser ready to conquer the North American Great Loop. Inspired by Admiral Cinder's words, what's the best that can happen? Keep watching to find out.
We're going in. Definitely has that old boat smell. Well, initial thoughts?
Not that bad. I mean, it needs some work, but I knew it would need some work. But if that's it, then okay.
She and I are both a little disappointed, but we're going to go find it and see how we can make it a home. Can it be an adventure? Can it be an adventure? We're going to go find out. Go walk underneath it here. Repaired rudder that needs to be put back on. Time to emerge out the back here. And there's the dinghy. Okay, you want to get up on it?
Okay.
You want to be the first one up?
No, you can go ahead.
Captain, going aboard. Sounds weird to say, but first time going up. Let's go. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
You're the proud owner of what was Bubbles Up, soon to be Soul Seeker. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, that's fun. I have to pump that crap out. All right, we're going in. You want to go in first or you want me to go in?
Nope.
Okay, we're going in. Definitely has that old boat smell.
Luce is gonna have to duck, all right. I don't, but
Right. Ouch. Watch your head. Okay. Oh, that's soft. Gotta be careful of that. Walk on the outsides of that. That's just old wood that needs to be replaced. It's like a sink that's been taken out of here. Yep, sink's been removed. All right, coming over to the port side. So that would be the head. We got some kind of plumbing. It looks like the plumbing that comes from here. Routes and goes out, probably through a through hole. Storage there. It does still have the sink. I would categorize it as somewhat disappointing, somewhat exciting, somewhat scary, somewhat, just all the things.
Yeah.
What about your initial thoughts?
I'd say the same thing. Just it needs work.
Needs some work, needs some TLC. It's a
Got some work to
1986.
do.
It's an 86. Needs a bath. It needs some TLC. But for the price that we paid, I think I'm excited for the potential.
Yeah.
I see
agreed.
potential.
Yeah, agreed.
There you go. Our first reveal, our first walkthrough with Soul Seeker. So we have been back now for a little over a week, 2 weeks actually, I think. I don't know. We've been back for a while. And if you think that refitting a 37-foot catamaran equals just chill and not much work, think again. Because the truth is, you come home and you're still getting a whole lot of Amazon delivered. Oh, at least if you like Amazon deliveries, you're kind of okay with it. Look at the smile. Hey everyone, so as you can see, Soul Seeker hat on, wife with the Soul Seeker shirt on, and we are loaded to the hilt. Woo! This Tesla Model Y has no more space because I was not gonna bring the trailer this time. Oh my goodness. I love electric propulsion. I love electric drive. It is a passion, but it does have its limitations. And this vehicle towing a trailer, woof, not doing that anymore. If I can stop it, if I can keep from doing it, I won't do it. So the result, loaded down. Look at that. I mean, literally, what the heck? Big moment. We are bubbles up no more. Okay, so I am here at the helm of Soul Seeker, and this might be a little tip off to some of y'all. Got the power bay good and done. I've got the motors mounted out there. There's one, that'd be on the starboard, and then two is out there on port. And so there are wires coming in. It's all very temporarily set up just for proof of concept, because I have to find a way to get those cords there on either side of those cables to route underneath the back deck here where they're not seen or stepped on or tripped over or any of that. And so right now, since I don't have time to do that, I just left the bus bars exposed, plugged them in, powered them on, and established wireless connection with the throttles. We're dealing with permanently, like, except for the wiring with the motors, like the battery is the permanent battery, solar's hooked up, everything is good to go. And so if I had, you know, some kind of way to run the cables, I'd be done with that too. But that'll be very soon when we get back. We're going on a trip, and then we're going to come back and hopefully splash this bad boy. So, Leslie, are you wanting to be on video?
No.
No, why not? You never want to
be on video. I'm good. I'll be on video later.
Okay.
Another time.
You're on video right now.
Okay.
Okay. So if I put, there's roughly 60, it turned out to be 62, 63 on that one. And then this one is at 75, 76. Okay, I can hear him humming out there. Can you hear him humming? All right. So, let me go take a look. Both motors are moving. Again, they look super duper slow from here. That one's actually moving fast on video. That one's moving fast in person, but it looks like it's going slow, probably because of distance and frame rate. Okay, so they are running very similarly in speed. They are pulling nothing from the battery right now. Okay, so there we have it. I found where I kind of reached the parity where I'm using all of the solar, none of the battery. And I've got the motors set to 140-ish, 150-ish. And that's just because those little numbers are hard to finagle. We would be able to keep forward propulsion at this speed with nothing but sunshine. So there you go. Leslie, we're making progress, baby.
Yay.
We're getting there. It's been a lot of hard work, and there's a lot of hard work left, but feels good. That's a big, big change.
And so we are back. How beautiful is this? We're back at Soul Seeker, and we wanted to be back before dark and have made it with an air conditioning unit. Yes, I'm holding it upside down. We're about to go in and get things set back up, get it cooled off. It's a little bit warm, but are really happy. We had a wonderful trip to Europe, Rome and Venice and Lefkada Island, Santorini. We went to Barcelona. We went to Tuscany and stayed at the Agriturismo and are back now before dark. Time to get back to work. Welcome back and good night. We're on the road again. We were on the road this morning. Where were we headed? What were we doing?
This morning we went to Moreland City to get a whole bunch of stuff. Anchor chain, that was a good thing. 150 feet of anchor chain, and also had to get the marine radio, had to get the depth finder with a transducer to see how deep the water is, and unfortunately still working on that blasted sink. The faucet we got requires a non-standard connector to get the water supply line connected, so I feel like that has been a monster. It'll be nice once it's done. I think this should be the last bit, but it has been a pain.
So
Now, all that said, we've made progress. It's slow because it's hot. What is it today? 105 earlier?
Yep.
Brutally hot. So we're just kind of taking it slow. The nice thing is we know the boat can splash on Friday regardless. It's got propulsion, so we'll be able to test it if we wanted to, or we can delay it and say, hey, the creature comforts matter enough, and so we're gonna wait. So that's nice. Right now, where are we headed, baby?
we're headed to Havelock, to Lowe's, I believe, to get, I don't remember.
That different hose that we need.
Yes.
But we're also going to go to Planet Fitness because they got a really cool massage
Hydro massage table. Yep.
Oh man, that is incredible. If you haven't done it, do it. Do yourself a favor and do it. Find someone who has a membership and just bum a visit off of them. Or find 10 friends who have it and bum all 10 of them.
So we joined Planet Fitness because of a little bit of research which was showing, going around the Great American Loop, there actually are a number of cities that have various branches, and if you are one of the members with a Black Card membership, you can go to any of them. They also have some in different countries.
Yeah, like we went to New York with our daughter and her husband, and there's no problem. Zip in, zip out.
Yep. So it's really hot. Maybe get out some aggression with a good workout, and then the hydro massage table, and drop by the Lowe's and head back and see if
get that galley working.
Exactly.
Okay, y'all, it has been a bear of a task because it's just like square peg round hole in this thing. Right up there, I've just got the cold water connected, and it says not to over tighten, so we're going to try this. So here we go. You might remember the other video where I sprayed myself pretty good. Let's see if there's any leak. No leak. No leak. Here we go. There's the water. Look at that. Nice. It's been forever and a day. Look, Leslie's excited too. Oh my goodness. What do you think, baby?
You're amazing.
Oh, teamwork
Thank you,
makes the
God.
dream work. Okay, we got 3 boxes here. We got dishwasher, washing machine, dryer. I know, dryer on a boat, but hey, Mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy, and I want Mama happy. So there you go. We have 3 appliances. Now to find room for them. Here we go, folks. What are you thinking right now, baby?
I'm just hoping that everything happens smoothly and that there are
Right? Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Oh my gosh, that's so true. We're getting close. He's got his lead. So, oh, there it goes. There it goes, folks. There it goes. It just came loose.
Thank you for watching as the dream started to become an experience. Tune in next time as Soul Seeker finds the water. But for how long?